It's day 26 of the April Burst Challenge, and today's prompt is to draw an ostrich drinking coffee. This one turned out hilarious. Instead of sipping elegantly, I decided to draw my ostrich going all in, with its head dunked inside a giant coffee mug. It looked like it just couldn't wait for a sip of coffee and decided to drive straight into the cafe. I couldn't stop laughing while drawing it. The big mug, the long neck, it was such a fun composition to work with. I leaned in with to exaggeration and I let the idea just flow. Started with a loose pencil sketch and brought in the watercolors. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this.